this guy's love for Mickey is real. Sitting down for his little breakfast with his pouch. Watching Mickey. I guess you guys notice he hasn't taken his eyes off that TV yet. Hope everybody's having a good morning. Good morning, everybody. Today is the day after my birthday, and I am up. And, wow, looks like I got hit in the face or something. I'm okay, though. I just put the sheets in the wash off the bed. And I'm currently folding that laundry that you see on that couch back there. And updating a vlog. I'm a busy mom. And then probably another 30 minutes or so, the kids should be awake. And we will start homeschool. But Braylon has been up coughing all night, so she may sleep a little bit longer today than normal, which is okay. Let me show you the kiddos real quick.
Go get some brown again.
Color time at the doctor's office.
Whoa. Come on, the white.
Nathan's over here working with everything in this place.
Nathan?
Come here, Nate. Alright guys, we are home from the doctor's. Currently waiting on a text message to say that the medication is ready for my daughter. And then we're going to start homeschool late again today because we had to go to the doctor. But that's the great thing about homeschool is that we can start whenever we like and we can finish whenever we like. So that is what we are currently up to. We're going to head out to go pick up her medicine shortly. And then start homeschool, and we'll probably do something this evening since we didn't do anything yesterday evening for my birthday. But I'm not like gung-ho. What's the word? I'm not expecting to go anywhere. That's what I meant. I'm not expecting to go anywhere because really just being with my family is the only gift that I needed. So.
I'm not going to tell you.
And my daughter got me a special thing, and she's not going to tell me. I almost dropped you guys. So, what's up with everybody else? How's you guys' day going? Is it going great? That's awesome. Love to hear that. I didn't show you guys the new ring set that my husband got me for my birthday. He replaced the old one with these beautiful pieces of jewelry, and they are awesome. So, anyhow, it's chilly here in Maryland. Comment down below what it is like weather-wise where you're at. I'd like to know where all my subscribers are from. I'd like to communicate with you guys. So, if you guys want to leave anything down in the box below, I will comment back. I promise that. So, I guess I will see you guys in the next clip. Alright, you guys. So, it is now 1:36. We are finishing up homeschool. And I just want to know if any other mothers out there that are doing homeschool have issues with their kids not wanting to do something they ask them to. I'm having that issue right now, and I'd like advice from any other mothers who also have that issue. How did you guys resolve that? The baby's awake from his nap. Do your homework. She's working on a worksheet. You have to start here because the hummingbird is here, and you have to go through the maze and find your way down to the flower. So let.
Ow! Ow! Nathan! Now do now.
Nathan, are you being a bully while they're doing their schoolwork? Huh? Dwight's working on his last. He's got a stack of papers here, and he's working on his math workbook. The only problem we're having is He does not. No, you need to wait until your brother's done. He does not want to do this worksheet because it requires him to color, and he says it's going to take too long.
Mom said yes.
All right, you guys, it's time to end today's vlog. It is now 8 o'clock, and we're about to sit down and watch a movie, so I'm going to end the vlog before I forget, because I'm not the best at remembering. So if you guys enjoyed today's vlog, give it a thumbs up, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.